Hello, it's me again. Let me fix my collar. I'm sorry. Today I'm going to talk to you about Hollywood. I'm going to make several videos on Hollywood. I've done a lot of computer videos, and they're not of much interest to me anymore. I've done the computer thing, I guess. So this is about Hollywood and music and things like that. And today I have some things pulled up for you. I have Selena Gomez on YouTube. YouTube is a great place to watch movies. Watch music videos like Selena Gomez, for instance. And she's a real popular singer-songwriter artist. She does some excellent videos. I haven't seen this one. I've seen that one. This is a neat one. Look at her now. Excellent beat. Very cool video. Quite theatrical. And here's her again in Boyfriend. I know that guy with the blonde hair and the guy in the white coat at the table. Selena's pretty neat. You can catch her on a video with one of my buddies. Let's see if we can find it. One of my associates or friends from a few years ago, and there she is with Zane Lowe. And there's a couple of people that sit on the sofa. I know that young lady. She's in the music business. Last I saw in South Central Texas, in Houston, but I'm not sure if she's still there now. It might have been in LA. So she's got a lot of cool videos, and she's a really bubbly, nice person to think of, and so we gotta love her and hope for the best. I think her best song was "I Love You Like a Love Song, Baby." So that is the song of all songs, and she used to date Justin Bieber. She still may have issues with that. Quite the neat lady. And Taylor Swift, somewhat of a competitor. Taylor Swift cranking out the videos as usual. Here's Blank Space. It's about a castle and things. And here's one called The Man, which is a great song. I'm just not so sure about the male-female role thing. Cool video though, great song. Here's another one, You Need to Calm Down. It's an excellent video, colorful. It's about a little trailer park. Me, I think this one is in France or something. It's a pretty cool video, the Boyfriend video. Look What I Made You Do Now, Ready for It, features Taylor Swift and Lingerie, pretty groovy song. There's her being herself for 10 minutes. I watched those, and I also watched the Vogue 73 questions, and I'll pull it up for you if you're interested. And we have nothing better to do with yourself but pretend you have friends on TV. That's what I do. So we could type in on YouTube Vogue 73 questions. And here's all of them. Play all, but as you can see, they've got it with Ariana Grande, Taylor Swift, Dan Levy. Pretty neat little Vogue thing. Vogue's a great magazine. Quite Gucci. And there's Taylor Swift, went over that. Pink Floyd is some 60s and 70s era music and rock, and I'll go ahead and subscribe to that. And we have their two best-selling albums, or Dark Side of the Moon, full album, and you should be able to get it on CD somewhere, through BMG maybe. And Pink Floyd The Wall, which is a 2 CD set. I used to have a 24 karat gold set of Pink Floyd The Wall. And those are some of the older videos. Pink Floyd has two songs out now, and they're two albums, and they're The Momentary Lapse of Reason and The Final Cut. And those were produced in the 90s. I went to the 94 concert with Roger Waters, David Gilmour, and Syd Barrett. And so, awesome music to listen to, very psychedelic. We'll close Pink Floyd, Taylor Swift, and Selena Gomez out. Gorillaz is a band I've been listening to recently. I particularly like Gorillaz' stylo. I think the beat is cool and funky. If you got some great bass speakers or something, then it can sound really, really hip. And here we have Kawehi. I think I may know her from somewhere. I'm not sure. There's her in Closer by Nine Inch Nails, and she does covers. I think she lives in Kansas. Real neat girl. This is probably one of my favorite songs of all time. Ramble On by Led Zeppelin's popular cover. Watch Kawehi. Don't Dream It's Over by Crowded House, an excellent one too. And she also did some quarantine videos. which was quite a neat series if you want to get to know your favorite singer, songwriter, or actor. That's all I have for you today. This video is made by Screencast-O-Matic. Do something nice for someone. And love your brother and sister, mother and father. And I will see you on the other side.